This is bitter leaf. In this video, I share with you how to easily extract bitter leaf juice from bitter leaves. I'd also share with you the benefits of bitter leaf juice as well as the uses of bitter leaf. Now come along with me as I share with you the step-by-step method of easily extracting bitter leaf juice from bitter leaf. The first thing I will do is to detach the leaves from the stem. This process is a process that must be done. This step cannot be avoided. Now let me tell you a little bit about bitter leaf. Bitter leaf grows on a tree which grows majorly in African tropics such as Nigeria, Cameroon, and Zimbabwe. Now that I'm done with detaching the leaves from the stem, I'll proceed to cut my bitter leaves into big chunks. You may be wondering, why is bitter leaf bitter? Well, as the name states, bitter leaf, that is why it is bitter. But you see, there is this thing that happens when you drink bitter leaf juice. After you drink it and you let it digest in your body, after a few minutes, you begin to have this sweet taste in your mouth. And that is why Yorubas have an adage. They say, Adun longbeyin ewuro. Now that I'm done with slicing the bitter leaves, I'll proceed to clean them in water. This step is also a step that you cannot miss. I'll clean my bitter leaves twice. The reason is because it's the rainy season, and what happens is the rain actually cleans the leaves a little bit while they're still on the tree. But if it were to be during the dry season, you would have to clean your bitter leaves multiple times because the leaves would have so much dust on it. As I continue with this video, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now, let me state some of the benefits of bitter leaf juice. 1. Drinking bitter leaf juice at night before bed brings a certain calmness to your body. It helps your body relax and it aids sleep. So if you're the type of person who usually have trouble with sleeping, try drinking bitter leaf juice. After washing my bitter leaf, the next thing I will do is to put the bitter leaves into my blender. Yes, this is the hack to ensure that you get all the bitter leaf juice out of your bitter leaves and to easily process your bitter leaf. I have to say that there are two major ways of extracting bitter leaf juice from bitter leaves. There's the traditional method, which is done by hand, and there is this method which is done by blending the leaves. As I continue with this video, I'll show you how to properly get all the bitter leaf juice out of your blended bitter leaves. It may be a little bit tricky, but don't worry, I'll show you what to do. Also, after blending your bitter leaves, you would have this foamy consistency, just like I have. You can see it in the video. My bitter leaves have turned foamy. It is completely normal and there's nothing wrong with it. Now I'll proceed to pour the blended bitter leaves into a sieve. After pouring it into a sieve, I'll rinse out the blender. Rinsing out the blender is completely normal because I would still add more water as I continue with this video. Now, if you've watched this video to this point, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. After pouring the water into the basket or into the sieve, now it's time to drain out the bitter leaf juice and separate the chaff from the juice. You can see that the blended mixture is very, very foamy. Yes, to know that your bitter leaf juice will be properly extracted from the leaves, you need to have foamy texture like this. Even when you use the traditional method of extracting bitter leaf juice by hand, you must have a foamy texture like this. But not to worry, I'll put this basket or the sieve into a separate bowl and then I'll proceed to show you the hack to ensuring that you get all the bitter leaf juice you want from this foamy texture. And it's very simple. Pour water. Yes, use water to separate the bitter leaf juice from the bitter leaf and reduce the foamy texture. That is the major hack. If you do not do this, you would end up having to wait for a very, very long time. By this, I mean you would have to leave the sieve in a bowl for a very long time till the foam settles and till the liquid removes or should I say drains into the bowl underneath. But if you cannot wait for long, use water just as you see me do here. You pour some water into it and you move your hand in a swirling motion and you detach or you get the bitter leaf juice drained out. This is already what I have drained out, but I'm not done yet. While I continue with this, let me also continue to explain to you the benefits of bitter leaf and drinking bitter leaf juice. Bitter leaf is believed to have a good effect in reducing high blood pressure, and this is why many elderly people like to drink bitter leaf juice so that they can easily avoid having blood pressure. This is all I eventually got from the foamy consistency I showed you earlier, and now it's time to squeeze out the remaining. Now let me continue with the uses of bitter leaf juice. Another thing is bitter leaf juice contains flavonoids which have a great effect in relieving fever. That's not all. Bitter leaf contains a nutrient called vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps to remove radicals, free radicals that are harmful to our body. This explains the reason why growing up I used to see elderly aged people use bitter leaf stem to clean their mouth early in the morning before eating or drinking. Here are some of the uses for bitter leaf. Bitter leaf can be used to cook bitter leaf and egusi soup. It can be used to make bitter leaf and okra soup, bitter leaf and ugu soup, bitter leaf and spinach soup. Yes, you can also cook ogbono and bitter leaf soup. All these soups are delicious and they are amazing. Some people even go ahead to add milk to their bitter leaf juice just to give it a different taste. But for me, I like to drink my bitter leaf juice just like that. After squeezing out the remaining bitter leaf juice from these leaves, many people would go ahead to dry that chaff right there and then add it to cooking or just use it to make bitter leaf tea. Bitter leaf tea is a topic for another video. Anyway, as I continue with this video, I like to say thank you for watching my video to this point. It's been a privilege having you here, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm the online cook. I post amazing Nigerian food recipes on this channel. If you're interested in Nigerian dishes and how to prepare them, you're in the right place because I have so many videos for you to watch. If you're also interested in Nigerian food cooking videos, welcome. Check my channel, check this channel, and you will enjoy all the videos that you find here. This is what I eventually got out of all those leaves you saw earlier. I'll simply pour it and mix it with the initial one. And guess what? Bitter leaf juice is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Till I post my next video.